Good morning, everyone! Malamig ngayon sa Baguio. So for today's workout, we will be doing our Tuesday intervals. That's 200 by 5 and 1 minute standing rest with 400 recovery every after set. But before that, we would like to share you our cool down stretches and core training workout. So here we go!
Okay, so ito yung cool down stretches natin. First, lean sa wall. Flat yung heel sa likod. Bend front knee. Hips extended. Weight against the wall. Press down. Calf. Okay, 30 seconds dito. After 30 seconds, lift na, bend yung rear knee, pero heel down pa rin. Slowly stretch yan, the muscle below the calf. Okay? 30 seconds, tapos switch. Tapos next natin is wide. Elbows to knees. Down. Hold natin yan for 30 seconds. Okay, so ito yung next stretch. Okay. Next na stretch natin. Okay. Next natin is 4 stretches. First is legs apart. Bumugtod ang pinabocus edge. Okay, next na stretches natin after the run. Pagkatapos mo natin stretches is floor. First exercise. Toes up. Legs straight. Knees down. Lean forward. Okay, kung hanggang saan kaya. 30 seconds dito. Next stretch. Pull one leg in. Okay, face the right side. Straight leg. Reach for your toes. Bend. Hold for 30 seconds. Okay, alternate. Okay. After this, soles of the feet together, knees down, head down. Okay, so inner thigh stretch ito. Okay. Next stretch natin, okay, we will do. Okay. Foot down, go up, hug. Okay, outer thigh naman, outer thigh, outer glute. 30 seconds dito. And then we face back, straight arm. Face the other side, 30 seconds dito. Okay, next, other side. Hold, foot to the floor, hug knee in, mahamdaman dapat yan sa outer thigh and outer glute. 30 seconds. Left arm will go back, head will face back, right arm will press. 30 seconds. Next stretch, straight leg. Okay, reach for your toes, and pull down. Saan kaya? 30 seconds dyan. Okay, next is okay, so pagkatapos niyan, ang next natin is higa tayo. Lying down. Yeah. Diamond stretch, head down, lie down, 30 seconds here. Okay, next stretch natin dito after this is left leg straight. Reach for your toes, head faces the other side, arm down. Head down, 30 seconds, switch. Reach for your toes, 30 seconds, switch. Okay, next. Hug your knee, head down, dorsiflex your foot, 30 seconds, pwede mo rin i-rotate dito yung ankles. Yan, habang ginagawa. Next stretch, straight leg, hawak sa hamstrings, interlace your fingers for a good grip and pull where you can, 30 seconds. Okay, next. Figure 4, hawak, underneath, outer thigh, pull. Okay, we'll do that to the other side. Dito. 30 seconds here. Interlace your fingers. 30 seconds, hamstring. 30 seconds, hip. Okay. Yan. Tapos ang next natin dito, for final stretch is the plow pose. Nalalay po dito. Support. All the way back kung kaya. Arm down. Open your spine. Contract your internal organs. Tapos 30 seconds. Okay, lang po. Okay, for core exercises, 4 lang. Okay, so option to, pwedeng on the wrist. Just mountain climbers with the flapjack alternate. Okay, so up, up. Okay, 10 na ganun. So, one right, one left, and one flapjack open is 1. Okay, 10 ganun. So, option 2 natin is on the elbows, kung hindi po kaya ng wrists, elbows, yun. Up, up. Okay, so yun yung first. Second natin, walang problema sa wrist. Kaya is from push-up position. We go down to elbow. Right, right. Balik sa taas. Right, right. Open. Other side. Left, left. Left, left. 10. 10 po na ganun. Okay? For next, bird dog, this can be done on your wrists or on your elbow. So, opposite arm, opposite knee extend. Opposite arm, opposite knee extend. Open. Okay, pwede rin siya on this. Extend. Extend. That's one. Okay, so yung third exercise. The fourth exercise, pwede rin sa arms or sa elbows, is hip down. Okay, right hip down to the floor. Hold back center. Left hip down to the floor. Hold back center. Flapjack. Yeah, tapos other side. Left, center, right, center, open. 10 counts. Yun po, 4 exercises.
So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.